AssetWhere can show the extent of fencing requirements needed for a particular project at a school. For example, we're going to look at stage 1 of the master plan, and this is going to be the building shown in green. And so I'm clicking on master plan, I'm selecting master plan stage 1. Here it is, the building shown in green here. So what this allows me to do is I can set that construction site zone. So it's not going to be available to staff and students across the course of that construction. So the distance tool enables me to show the individual lengths of fencing that are required, and then you can see the total amount of fencing at the end. So then I can easily print this as a PDF, and then I can go and share this with the school approved fencing contractors so they can submit a quote. And once the quote is approved, the contractors can come on site, know the exact location and the way the fencing must be placed because it's all shown here on the map.